ICSC Mathematics Class 10th Chapter 14 Question number 8. In figure, O is the center of the circle. Calculate the value of x and y. Because we have to work out the value of x and y. एक सर्किल दिया हुआ है जिसका सेंटर O है और सेंटर पर जो एंगल बना हुआ है 120 डिग्री. सो अब देखिए ठीक x इस सेगमेंट के द्वारा द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस सेगमेंट और आर्क एट द सेंटर इज 120. So by the same segment the angle subtended on the circumference, or you can just say circle, that is x. So x will be equal to half of 120 degree, that is 60 degree. And now it is a cyclic quadrilateral. You see 4 vertices are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices are there. So x and y are the opposite angles. So x plus y should be equal to 180 degree. Means sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Hence x plus y is equal to 180 degree. X we know that now 60 degree. So y will be equal to 180 minus angle x, that is 60. So 120 degree it will be the answer. The y will be equal to 120 degree. Now come to the question number 9. In figure, AB is parallel to CD and O is the center of the circle. If ADC is 25 degree, find AEB. Give reason in support of your answer. देखिए AB जो है, AB पैरेलल है किसके? CD के. CD क्या है? It is the diameter. O is the center. O is the center of the circle. AB is parallel to CD. And angle ADC, that is 25 degree given. So ADC will be equal to, as these sides are CD and AB are parallel, therefore ADC is alternate angle to BAD or DAB. You see, ADC equal to DAB alternate angles. Therefore, it will be also 25 degree. Now construction. In construction, what I have done here, join AC and BD. Join BD. So the angle in semicircle, you see CD is the diameter. So CAD will be equal to 90 degree. Because angle subtended by the semicircle on the circle will be equal to 90 degree. So CAD is equal to 90 degree angle in the semicircle. Therefore CAB will be equal to 90 degree plus 25, that is 115 degree. So ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore CDB is equal to 180 minus 115. 100 CDB will be 180 minus 115. So it will be equal to 65 degree. अब देखिए ये 65 डिग्री हो गया. Now out of that, in ADC is 25 degree and CDB is 65 degree. So if you subtract this 25, then you can get the value of ADB 65 minus 25, that is 45. So ADB will be equal to 40 degree. Now ADB and AEB, ADB and AEB, these are the two angles in the same segment. These are the two angles subtended by the same segment, that is AB. AB segment के द्वारा एक एंगल डी पर बना हुआ है और एक एंगल ई पर बना हुआ है. हमने ए डी बी की वैल्यू निकाल ली, दैट इज 40 डिग्री. सो ए ई बी will also be equal to 40 degree. You can write down the region, that is angles in the same segment. So answer is 40 degree. Now come to the question number 410. In figure, AB is parallel to CD if BCD is 100 degree and BAC is 40 degree. Calculate CAD, CBD and BCA. You see, AB is parallel. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Arrow mark के द्वारा मैंने AB and DC has been represented by arrow mark that indicate that these two lines are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, the angle BCD is equal to 100 degree. BCD is 100 degree, it is given, and BAC is 40 degree, it is also given. BAC it is given. Now you see the BAC, that is, so these two lines are parallel, therefore the alternate angles. So DCA will be also equal to 40 डिग्री. अल्टरनेट एंगल, दो लाइन पैरेलल हो गया और ये ट्रांसवर्सल का काम कर रहा है. कौन सा? AC ट्रांसवर्सल है. देयरफॉर दिस 40 डिग्री एंड दिस विल बी आल्सो 40 डिग्री. सो वंस यू सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 100 दिस 40, दिस एंगल विल बी ACB will be 60 degree. Now this is 60 degree. Now the segment, this segment, AB segment के द्वारा there are two angles which have been subtended by AB segment, that is ADB and ACB. So these two are also 60 degree each. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore BCD and BAD is equal to 180 degree. You see, BCD and BAD is equal to 180 degree, and out of that it is 100. It is 100. So 100 plus BAD is equal to 180 degree. So BAD will be equal to 180 minus 100, that is equal to 80 degree. ये टोटल एंगल कितना हो गया? 80 डिग्री. नाउ CAD will be also 40 degree because total angle is 80. So out of 80 minus 40, that is again it is 40 degree. That is why I have written 80 minus 40, it is 40 degree. This is the answer of that question. Now CBD, ये एंगल CBD, that is CBD is equal to CAD. देखिए अब मैंने इसको एरो मार्क डॉटेड लाइन से दिखाया है सेगमेंट को. CBD is equal to CAD, and that is equal to 40 degree. So this angle and this angle both will be 40 degree. Angle in the same segment. Now BCA, that is 100 minus 40. Total it is given already. It is 100. So out of that, this is 40. So 100 minus 40, that is 60 degree. This is the third answer of this question number 10. Now come to the question number 11. Question number 11 states that in figure ABCD is a parallelogram. A circle passes through A and D, cuts the AB at E and DC at F. Given that BEF is 80 degree, find ABC. हमें निकालना है ABC को. देखिए आप, AEFD is a cyclic quadrilateral. AEFD is a cyclic quadrilateral. अब ये एंगल दिया हुआ है, तो इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल विल बी आल्सो इक्वल टू 80 डिग्री, क्योंकि साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल में ये एंगल और एक्सटीरियर एंगल बोथ शुड बी इक्वल. So this will be also 80 degree. Now these lines are parallel. These lines, it is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. So this side and this side means AB and DC are parallel. And this AD act as a transversal. So the sum of the angles, interior angles on one side of the transversal should be equal to 180. So it is 80, so it will be 100 degree. So once in a parallelogram, the opposite angle should be also equal to 100 degree. So this angle A is 100, angle C is also 100. D is 80 degree, B is also 80 degree. You see, the angle D is equal to 80 degree. Exterior angle, कौन सा एक्सटीरियर एंगल है? BEF, that is 80 degree it is given. So ADC is equal to ABC, that is 80 degree. ABC भी 80 degree हो गया. Opposite angles of the parallelograms are equal. Now come to the question number 12. AD is the diameter. Now you see, first of all, if BCD is 125 degree and AD is the diameter of the circle, calculate DAB and ADB. You see, BCD is 125 degree, it is given already, and AOD means it is a diameter. AD is the diameter, so the angle subtended at the B point, you see, ABD will be 90 degree. Just join it. So ABD is equal to 90 degree. Now you see here, AD is the diameter and angle BCD is 125 degree. So first DAB is equal to 180 minus BCD. Why? You see, DAB, it is the opposite angle to this cyclic quadrilateral angle. Means opposite angle should be equal to 180. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. So A plus C should be equal to 180 degree. So that is why DAB is equal to 180 minus 125, that is 55 degree. Now ADB, we have to work out. So once we have done, find out the value of A, that is 55 degree, ये 55 हो गया, ये 90 हो गया. और ये ADB. So ADB will be equal to 90 minus 55, that is 35 degree. Why it is 90 minus? Because in a right angle triangle, ABD is a right angle triangle. So angle B is 90, so sum of these two means A and D in a right angle triangle. Sum of the two acute angle should be equal to 90 degree, or you can say the complementary angle होनी चाहिए. So angle D will be equal to, means ADB is equal to 90 minus 55. A is 55 now. So 90 minus 55, that is 35 degree. And these are the two answers of the question number 12. Now come to the question number 13. In figure, given a cyclic trapezium ABCD, in which AD is parallel to BC and angle B is 70 degree. Find BAD. Find BAD and BCD. BAD फाइंड करना है हमारे को दिया क्या है, ABC दिया हुआ है, और ये लाइन BC और AD पैरेलल लाइन है, ट्रेपीजियम है. ABCD is a trapezium and AD is parallel to BC. Angle B plus angle A. Angle B plus angle A should be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because these are the AD and BC are parallel line. So and AB act as transversal. AB act as a transversal. So the sum of the interior angle on the one side of the transversal should be equal to 180 degree. Hence 180 minus 70, that will be equal to angle A. So you see angle B plus angle A is equal to 180. So in place of B I have written 70 plus A, that is equal to 180. Angle A is equal to 110 degree. This is the answer of this question. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. And out of that it is 110. So 180 minus 110, that will be the measure of the angle C. Now come to the question number 14. You see in this figure, very little space is there, but I have made it again. You see, now you take this figure like this. Question number 14. In figure, AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. You see, I have written AB is a diameter of a circle APBR. A circle APBR. As shown in the figure, APQ and RBQ are straight line. APQ and RBQ are straight line. Angle A is 35 degree. Angle A is 35 degree. And angle Q is equal to 25 degree. Angle Q 25 degree है. देखिए इस ट्राइंगल में ABQ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसी ABQ, इस ट्राइंगल में हमें दो एंगल मालूम है. कौन कौन सा? एंगल A और एंगल Q. Sum of these two angles must be equal to the exterior angle. So 35 plus 25, it should be equal to 60 degree. देखिए 35 plus 25, exterior angle is always equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Sum of the two interior opposite angle in a triangle. So 35 plus 25 will be equal to 60 degree, that is RBA. RBA is 60 degree. Once we prove that RBA is 60 degree, you see I have made a segment लाइक डैश 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 इस तरह से खींच करके दिखाया है सेगमेंट, मीन्स ए आर सेगमेंट। ए आर सेगमेंट के द्वारा यहाँ पर एंगल कितने डिग्री का बना है? 60 डिग्री। अभी हमने वर्कआउट किया 60 डिग्री। सो द एंगल मेड मीन्स ए पी आर विल बी ऑल्सो हाउ मच? 60 डिग्री। Now you see in triangle APB, this is 90 degree because it is a diameter. So the semicircle, angle subtended by the semicircle on the circle or on circumference, that will be equal to 90 degree. So APB is 90 degree and APR is 60 degree. So 90 में से 60 माइनस कीजिए, then you will get BPR, that is 30 degree. देखिए BPR is 30 degree। यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया होगा, मैं सोच रहा हूँ आपको। अभी इस 90 में से 60 माइनस कीजिएगा तो 30 डिग्री आ जाएगा। तो देखिए एंगल क्या क्या पूछा है, एंगल PRB, it is 35. Why it is 35? You see again angle subtended by the same segment, that is PB। ये देखिए इधर 35 है तो इधर 35। दो सेगमेंट का मैंने मदद लिया, देखिए एक ये सेगमेंट और एक ये सेगमेंट। तो ये एंगल कितना हो गया? 35 डिग्री। एंड PBR, नाउ इसी द PBR। अब ये एंगल देखिए, अब यहाँ पर ये 90 डिग्री है और ये 35 है, तो ये एंगल प्लस ये एंगल 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए। सो 90 माइनस 35, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 55 degree. This is 55, this is 60 degree, 60 degree, so 55 plus 60, you see 55 plus 60, that is 115 degree. And BPR is equal to BPR is equal to 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. In this way, somewhat the calculation which I have done, now you see here, given that angle A is 35 degree, angle Q is 25 degree, find PRB, that is angle PAB is equal to angle A, that is 35 degree, the angle in the same segment, and this is the answer. Now come to this एंगल PBR, दैट इज 60 डिग्री प्लस 55 डिग्री। कहाँ से 60 डिग्री और 55 है? देखिए एंगल ABR इज इक्वल टू 35 प्लस 25, दैट इज 60 डिग्री। एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द ट्राइंगल ABQ, सो इट विल बी 115 मीन्स 115 डिग्री। और देखिए इधर एंगल PBA is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 35, that is 55. Now third part of it, BPR, that is 90 minus APR, that is APR कितना है हमारा? 60 डिग्री, that is 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. In this way, this question is completed.